What is poppin' up, guys? It's me, Johnson, and I'm back with another unboxing video for you guys. And for this video, we're going to unbox Random Booster Volume 27, only a single booster. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, if you did enjoy watching this video, why not leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Subscribing is greatly appreciated, helps the channel a ton. And don't forget to click the notification bell as well, so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright guys, so before we unbox this single random booster that I bought, yes, I only got one. I actually just got this for the gears because maybe I can pull either of these Beyblades, which is Dragon V2 or Galaxy Pegasus. So yeah, let's take a look at the front, all the Beyblades that you can get. Top hand corner, you can see the Holy King version for the Perfect Gear Belle. So you have to get all the base in the random booster set, so you can make yourself the Holy King version. Probably my favorite recolors would be Astral Fafnir and Guilty Spriggan. They just look ornate in those black and white recolors. They're really rocking it. And taking a look at the back of the box, we can see an overview of all the parts. So we have 7 of them. Galaxy Pegasus and Dragoon with the gears and a bunch of random combos. But yeah, most of them are DB except for the remakes, of course. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the box. Hoping I can get these two for the gears. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Boom! So we got our random booster right here. Let's just take a last look at the box. There you go. Belle. There you go. Pretty much nothing. Alright. Are there stickers here? No stickers. So, still in the box. So the stickers are still in the box, so pretty safe. So we don't know what we get. But obviously we didn't get Dragoon or Galaxy Pegasus because it doesn't have any of like the bags for the gears. So what can this be? It's pretty thick. Alright, so we got Vanished Longinus. That's pretty cool. It has a 7 armor. Just check the rubber. Ooh, yeah. So gonna do a lot of comparisons with like my other Vanished Fafnir. Kind of like the bloody red whatever going on with the color scheme for this Beyblade. Looks cool. It also has Longinus. Pretty heavy chip. Alright, so we got Nexus. Looks pretty cool. Yo, 4 stars. That's pretty colors. Finally, they didn't like tape the driver because they always like tape the driver just like this and just wrap tape around it. Looks just hard to take it off. Oh, got a moment. Alright. I do have a moment driver from my Roll Dragon, but compared to this seems pretty loose. Yo, that's pretty tight. It's pretty tight. Let's take a look at what we got in the box. Yeah, just the stickers and the manual. I just won't put the stickers, especially with Longinus, because they do chip off very easily because it's metal, pretty smooth surface. Alright, let's just take a look at each part. Take a look at the Longinus score. Vanish Blade. Seven armor. Alright, so we're gonna do some comparison. Okay, let's take a look. Moment drivers. This seems pretty loose compared to this one. Alright, so we got Vanish Fafnir. Disassemble this one. Okay, we're gonna do comparison. Gonna try to stress the blade, and this one feels a lot more softer. Probably like the rubber they use, probably more like silicone based, I guess. But damn, this looks pretty soft. I don't know how it should help the Fafnir. Probably spin steel, attack potential, whatever. I don't know. But yeah, this seems a lot more softer compared to this one. So I don't know. Also got longiness. Compare it. Yo, this looks pretty sick. Alright, let's just put the bait all together now. There we go. Closer look. 4 stars. Yo, this looks sick. I just love the translucent red and all of that. It looks like, yo, just bloody red. This looks sick. Yo. Vanish stock, because you know it's an amalgamation. It's a combination of 2 Beyblades. So why not battle Vanish longiness with these Beyblades? So yeah, let's get into the battles. Alright, so we got Vanish longiness, and we'll be testing it out in the DB Bay Stadium. And then, yeah, we'll be using these 2 Beyblades as well. Vanish Fafnir stock, Guilty stock combo. So let's get to it. So we'll be doing 1v1. So Vanish versus Vanish, Guilty versus Vanish. So yeah. First round, 3, 2, 1, go. Vanish is at it. And Vanish Fafnir takes the first win. Second round, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so Beyblades are in the aggressive. Alright, Vanish take the center. And Vanish longiness takes it. Alright, third round, 3, 2, 1. Alright, and our winner is Vanish longiness. Alright, first round, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Vanish with same spin, not that much of a bait. Alright, so Guilty with his spin finish. Second round, 3, 2, 1. And it was alright. Vanish longiness takes a win, so that's 1-1, all 1. Third round, 3, 2, 1, shoot. Ooh, that was a big hit. Really took a big fall, and Guilty again with the spin finish. Alright, probably the last round, so for round 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Vanish actually tied the match, so that's all two. Fifth round, 3 to 1. He's not really good of a driver. Yeah, let's see. Oh, okay, so Guilty takes the win. So, 1 win, 1 loss. Alright, that is it for the battles. So pretty much wraps it up for the video. Yeah. Alright, that pretty much wraps it up for our unboxing of the Random Booster Volume 27. So, unfortunately, we didn't get Dragon V2 or Galaxy Pegasus. I was going to say Storm Pegasus. But yeah, the gears though, I really want to get this. So I'm probably gonna get more of these just to get the gears. And yeah. Alright, Vanish Longinus, in my opinion, pretty decent pull, I would say. The parts aren't that much great. Like Nexus without the S gear, not so much of a great disc. Moment, mid-tier driver. I mean, has a decent lad, has like a ball tip, free spinning, whatever. But there's like a lot of drivers that are classes Moment. But the Vanish Blade and the Longinus DB core definitely top tier, so it makes it a great bay if you get Vanish Longinus. So don't feel so bad. I mean, it's pretty cool, I guess. But I think Astral Fafnir and Goldie Sprig are definitely like the best pulls. And also Devil Belly out because it has Giga and Mobius. Like those are great parts. So yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think of Vanish Longinus as like a Beyblade? And leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Probably unboxing video. So yeah, and as always, Johnson. Peace out.